Alright guys, we're back with another build. Just to show you another project we got going at VTSV Auto. It's a pretty popular car, similar to one we already showed you, a 73 Caprice Classic Convertible, you know, known as a DONK. It's a good old friend of mine. This is TY's car. He owned an accounting business for the last 21 years. We went to college together at FAMU. He actually been to a lot of other shops. He have race cars, you know, quarter-mile cars, so he's really entrenched into it. Now the DONK culture has DONK races, DONK Master. You have races that's, you know, in excess of $60,000 to $100,000 to win a race. So, you know, that's something that piqued his interest, which got him into this. We're not only building it for the look, we're building it for integrity as well, to be able to withstand engines with at least, you know, 2,500 horsepower. Look at the gap from the trunk lid to the base of the quarter, right? Now look how it's level here, and then it dips all the way here. So that means this quarter, the top of this quarter is low. Now let's get him up. Now look. Flush. Mama said them some bad guys right there. Mama said them some bad guys right there. Go that man, mama. If you come over, you can see that the car has a tub, a wider tub on it, to put a wider wheel. You definitely could want the tub for clearance issues with bigger rims, deeper rims. You know, the deeper lip is in style now. Follow the contour. I see the crease right there.
Yeah, they're in here.
It's gonna follow the contour, so it actually gives you more clearance.
Yep.
Oh man. You know, I was a customer first for 15 years, so I know exactly how I would want my car done, which is the right way. Like, I want to give a customer a product that I would be happy with, and I'm a nitpicker. Like, I'm somebody that, you see what happened to the Eldorado. Like, everybody that know me and know that car, they be like, Pick, where's the car? I'm like, yo, it's off the frame. They say, you took it apart? Like, why did you tell it was perfect? Like, you know, to them it was perfect. You know, I knew certain imperfections about it myself personally, and I wanted to be perfect to the untrained eye. You know what I mean? And that's what I'm shooting for with that car. God blessed me in a position to have a shop now, so that turned into the flagship car for the shop. So of course, everything got to be double checked, triple checked with that car, and those same practices come here. Major work, factory body line in there on this piece. 73 piece vert, brush repair. This car here, you can see a lot of the body mounts was rusted out. We had to fabricate a lot of the pieces here. The floor came in that it was a gap, so we had to cut everything loose, close the gap, weld it up, put all of the structural metal supports in, and then now we gotta just grind everything down to make it look good. Sometimes you can see a car for sale for $20,000. The asking price is $20,000. And then you'll see that same car that look like it just need a little bit of work, when the asking price might be $8,000. You have to do your investigation to make sure it's a true apples to apples comparison, because the car that's listed at $8,000 might have $30,000 worth of rust repair. So if you do the rust repair the right way, and let's say you get a deal on it for say $20,000, you added 20 to the price of the 8, plus the time that it takes to do all of the work. When you buy something that's a lot cleaner, it's gonna cut down on time, labor, money. It's pros and cons to both.